Luka Dončić is stepping boldly into his new chapter in Los Angeles, balancing court dominance with media charm. Following the Dallas Lakers trade, he's featured on Men's Health and made viral waves in Jumpman events. His latest footwear, the Jordan Luka .77 Bright Mango, breaks tradition by releasing without a Luka 4 counterpart. The vivid mango orange colorway, toned down by sleek black branding, echoes a 2024 Luka 2 drop. Designed for outdoor play, it reflects Luka's vibrant energy and fresh momentum in a new city. With a fall 2025 launch expected, adult pairs will retail at $105, GS at $80. As Dončić settles into LA's spotlight, his sneaker game follows suit, bold, confident, and full of swagger. The solo debut of this .77 model proves Luka's signature line can command attention all on its own, both in performance and style.